Hello.
Hello,
Okay, welcome to your speaking test. Are you ready?
ready.
All right, tell me about yourself.
My name is Bintu.
How old are you?
I'm happy.
How old are you? Are you 7 years old?
I'm 8 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What is your hobby? Is your hobby playing
Okay.
basketball?
Happy
Is
is
sleeping?
no,
Playing games? Or
no,
soccer? Playing soccer?
yes.
Okay. What subject do you like at school?
My subject at school is karate class.
Wow, you have a karate class. Let's go now to Unit 7 about time. What time is this?
Is 1 o'clock.
Number 2.
Is 1:50. Is 1:14. Is 1:45.
Very good, Bean. So, what is this, Bean?
Is
Is it breakfast or dinner?
breakfast.
How about number 4?
Is dinner.
What time do you have breakfast?
Is my breakfast is
8 o'clock in the morning?
7:30
30 in the morning.
in the morning.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner is
Mm-hmm.
I not have dinner.
You don't have dinner. Okay. All right. Let's move now to your snack. What time do you have snack? 3 o'clock in the
Um
morning? 3 o'clock in the afternoon?
uh 6 o'clock.
In the evening?
No, 6:40.
5.
Um, 52.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Now look at this boy. When does he wake up?
He wake up is 7 o'clock.
Do you wake up at 7 o'clock?
No,
What time do you wake up?
I'm wake up is 7:30.
30 or 45? Okay,
30.
7:30. When does she go to bed?
She go to bed is 8:45.
Do you go to bed at 8:45?
No,
What time do you go to bed?
I'm go to bed is 10
10 o'clock in the evening?
10:45.
Oh, 10:45. What time does he come home?
She he come home is 6 o'clock.
Okay, that's fantastic, Bean. Okay, Bean, let's go now to our school subject. What is this?
Is
Is it science or social studies?
science.
What is this one?
Is music.
How about this?
Is PE.
Okay, very good. Now let's complete some sentences. What's his favorite subject?
His favorite subject is
Music, art,
music.
English, or science?
Music.
What's her favorite subject?
She favorite subject is PE.
Okay. Now let's talk about you. What's your favorite subject at school? My,
My first subject at school is 7
is it art? Is it English? My favorite subject
and
at school
is 26.
is it science, English, math,
Uh,
art, PE?
and go to
Art.
karate class.
Okay.
School.
It's okay. Now let's talk about Julie.
Really go to
Dance class,
dance
English class,
class.
or swimming class? On,
Dance class
on.
on the Thursday.
How about Emma?
Emma go to swimming class on Thursday.
All right. Can you tell me about you? What's your name?
My name is Bin. My from
Where are you from? Vietnam, right? I'm from.
Thái Nguyên City, Vietnam.
Mm-hmm.
My from
Favorite
favorite
subject is
subject is
math, English, PE. What's your favorite subject?
is
Vietnamese?
Vietnamese.
Okay. And when do you go to your Vietnamese class?
My Vietnamese class
I go
is
to
I go
Vietnamese class on
on
Monday, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, or Sundays.
Thursday.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much, Bean. That's the end of your speaking test. Goodbye.
Goodbye.